Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can check your Windows version and your Windows edition. So how you can check your Windows edition and your Windows version. Are you a 24H2? Are you a home edition or a pro edition? So how can you check that? Let's go quick into the process. Go to the start a Windows search bar and type control panel. Click on Control Panel under the Best Match. Now here you need to view this into large icons. So if this is viewed by category, then you have to use large icons or view it large icons. Then here you'll find System. Click on System. And you will be directed into this window. Then here you will find this one. Windows specifications. Now, here you can find your Windows edition and your Windows version. So my Windows edition is Windows 11 Home Single Language and my Windows version is 24H2. This was installed on December 5, 2024. And I also have here the OS build 26100.3476 and the experience Windows feature experience pack. So I also have here the device name, processor installed, RAM, device ID, product ID, system type, and dependent touch. So this is how or where you can find your Windows edition and your Windows version. So you will no longer doubt as to what is your Windows edition and your Windows version. Now close this. You can also directly click on the start button and click on the settings icon. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, you have to look for system. Then scroll down to the bottom and you'll find about. Click on that. And here you'll find the same window, Windows specifications, that list your Windows edition and your Windows version. So that's it. That's how you can easily find your Windows edition and your Windows version. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more free tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.